Hello there everybody on a beautiful Monday evening slash election eve. How's it going? Today we're going to be looking at the Intel Reader portable scanner. This is a device that helps people with visual impairments and people who have low vision read regular printed text. And I would like to give a shout out to Allison Rosati, Rod Stafford, Marion Brooks, Marion Ahern, Carol Marine, Patrick Fazio, Lauren Petty, Lexi Suter, Susan Carlson, Katie Kim, Phil Rogers, alrighty, Alicia Roman, Kaylee Dion, Kai Martin. I'm going to put this down for just a sec while I open this because they really packaged this very, very good. And I gotta tell you, they're pretty good at packaging this. So, I'm going to tell you how this works and why is it that I purchased it. So, originally they want over $1,000 for this. This one was never used by its owners because they use different technologies that they don't have a use for. And I myself do benefit of this device here. I'm trying to be careful not to spill any popcorn packaging here. Alright, so the unit is inside here. Okay, here's the charger. And I'm going to put all this in here. Let me go ahead and give a shout out to Hoda Codby and all the other folks up there. Okay, so this is how the device looks like. I'm going to put the camera back up, okay? Here we are. It's in its nice little carrying case. That's what it comes in. Okay. Huh. Alright. So it comes in this little case here.
Voiceover camera 3 minutes 2 seconds.
Alright, we're good. Alright, let me go ahead and put this down for just a tab. Ugh. Man, geez, this thing, they packaged this very, very superbly. I do give them credit for this. Alright, here it is. Okay, so this here is the Intel portable scanner. Comes in its case, as you can see. It's a very cool device, very neat. And it also comes with a charger, if I ever need it, because the owner doesn't use this. And if I want to pull it out of its zipper, I can do so. And I will show you how the Intel machine will work on the next video. But also I would like to give a shout out to Mike Lorber, Jen DuSalvo, and all the folks up at NBC5. So here it is, and in the next video I will show you how it works. Thanks for watching.